Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox a brand new of Lenovo Thinkpad T490s. This is the charger for the Lenovo. This Lenovo has a keyboard light. It's a touchscreen laptop. This Lenovo has a processor of Intel Core i5. Processor speed is 1.6 GHz processor speed. It has a RAM of 16 GB RAM, which can be upgrade up to 2 GB maximum RAM upgrade. This laptop has a 256 GB SSD storage, which can be expandable up to 1 TB to 2 TB storage. This laptop is a touchscreen laptop. It has a keyboard light, a fingerprint. This laptop is 8th generation laptop. Let me show you the port. It has 2 USB ports, one at the right hand side and one at the left hand side. It has a HDMI port, headphone jack port. It has 2 Type-C ports, one for USB port and one for the charging port. So this laptop is a cool laptop. So and also it supports a pen. You can use it. You can use a stylus pen on it for people that love using a stylus pen instead of the hand. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. On my next video, I'm going to talk about the advantage and disadvantage of this laptop, and also I'm going to talk about the users. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, give it a like, share, and then subscribe.